Hello, good morning students. As you all know that we have already completed our two chapters. So today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 3, playing with numbers. And we have already studied about natural numbers, whole numbers and that type of numbers. So today we are going to read some different type of number like even number, odd number, etc. So let us see first one, what are factors? Factor means a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, you can see that what are the factor of 6? You know that 6 is exactly divisible by 1. So 1 is the first factor of 6. Then you can see 6 2 since it's exactly divides 6. Then 3 since it's also exactly divides 6. And 6 since it exactly divides the 6 also. So you can see that the factor means a number which exactly divides the given number. So you can see 6 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Exactly division means in which if we divide we'll get the answer as 0. So you can see that if we divide 2 by 6, so 2 3s are 6. You can see remainder is 0. Or if we divide 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6. Here also the answer remainder is 0. It means 6 is exactly divisible by 3. So the factors are the number which exactly divide the given division. So a factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. Now I'll see its properties of factor. So you can see that 1 is factor of every number. You can see that 1 is common in every number, whatever the number. So 1 is a factor of every number. Every factor is a factor of itself. Here you can see that here we have taken 6 and the one factor of 6 is 6 also. So every number is a factor of itself also. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. You can see that 6 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. You can see that here 1, 2 and 3 are less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. It means the factor which we will get is always less than or equal to that given number only. So you can see that here 1, 2, 3 are less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6 only. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means they are limited in numbers, means which we can count. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Only we can see that only 4 factors are possible, not more than that. It means they are limited or they to which we can count. It means they are finite. Now I'll see multiple. Multiple of a number is the numbers obtained by multiplying that numbers with various natural numbers. Multiple, or we can say that the number by which we will get after multiplying with another numbers. Or we can multiple means we have to write its table. For example, number is 6. What are the different multiples of 6? First write 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 3s are 18, and it will goes on like 6 4s are 24. We have to write till they will ask. So these are the starting 3 multiple of 6, and the multiple of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. So multiple of a number is the number obtained by multiplying the number with various natural number, means 1, 2, 3. It will not start from 0. So multiple means we have to write its table. Now what are the properties of multiple? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. You can see that here multiple are always equal to or greater than, but factors are equal to or less than. Suppose it. So you can see that 6, 12, 18 all are greater than 6 and it is equal to 6 also. Then number of a multiples of a given number is infinite. Infinite means which are not limited. If they ask you write the 100th multiple of 6. So how to find 6 into 100 which is equal to 600. If they ask you write the 1000th multiple of 6. So 6 into 1000. It means they are not finite. We can find till any number as we want. So number of multiples numbers are infinite or not in limited number. Every number is a multiple of itself. You can see that the first multiple of 6 is 6. So that every number is a multiple of itself also. 1 cannot be multiple of any number other itself. So you can see that here it is 6, 12 and 18. Means 1 did not come. So 1. If we write 1 into 1. If you write the 1 multiple of 1 only, then only it is possible that 1 will come. So 1 is a multiple of itself only, not of any number. The last one is every number is the smallest multiple of itself. You can see that 6 multiple of 6 is 6, means it is the smallest, and 12 and 18 are greater than 6. So 6 is the smallest multiple of itself. Now I'll see types of number. Even numbers. The number which are multiple of 2 are called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and it will go on. Or we can see that even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It's ones place. It means here you can see 0, 2, 4. The number having ones, even number 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, its one place are known as even number. For example, 268. At ones place, here 8 is given, it means that it's an even number. Only you have to see its ones place. By that only we can see that it is even number or not. Then odd numbers. The numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd number, or you can see that the number which are not even numbers are odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, as it also goes on. The number which are not multiple of 2, and or we can say that which are not even numbers are odd number. And what are the important points about prime numbers are that 2 is the smallest prime number which is even, or every number except 2 is odd. First let us see what are prime number. After that we will discuss this 2 points. So the prime number means the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime factor. Factor means the number which exactly divide the given number. So you can see that here 2. The example are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. There are many prime factor. You can say that there are 25 prime factor between 1 to 100. You can see that. So 2 is exactly divisible by 1 and 2. Then 3. It is exactly divisible by only 1 and 3. Then 7. 1, 7. It means the number other than 1. You have to leave only 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So number other than 1 whose factors means are 1 and itself. You can see that the factor of 2 is 1 and itself means 2. 3 also 1 and itself, and 7 also 1 and itself means 1 and 7. So this type of numbers are known as prime number. So you can see that here. So 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. So you can see that the prime number start from 2 and it is an even number. Only one number is there, means 2 is the only prime number which is even. Otherwise all prime numbers are odd. So every prime number except 2 is odd. So it is an exceptional case that 2 is even number, and other than 2 all prime numbers are odd number. Now we'll see how to find the prime numbers till 100, and this one is given by using Eratosthenes method. So first we'll write all the numbers from 1 to 100. So step 1, cross out 1 because it is not a prime number. First you cross 1 as it is not a prime number, and circle 2. We know that the first prime number is 2. So first circle 2. Then other than 2 itself and cross all the multiples of 2. All the multiples of 2 means which are even number, like cross 4, 6, 8, 10. Like this you have to cross till 100. Second is you will find that next uncrossed number is 3. You can see that 3 is not a even number. It means it is not a multiple of 2. So first and it is left. So first and circle 3. After that you cross all the multiples of 3 other than 3 itself. So don't cross 3 but its multiple. Its multiple means 6, then 9, 12, 15, 18, which are not crossed in second step. That one the remaining numbers you have to cross. That after this you can see that the next answer if we cross the multiple of 2 and 3, you can see that if we cross multiple of 2, already 4 is cancelled. Then which is left? 5. It means the next number, prime number, is 5. Now encircle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5. All the multiples of 5 means it's stable. 5. 5 2s are 10, means now cross 10. 5 3s are 15. But you can see that if we cross out multiples of 3, already 15 is cancelled. Then 20, 25, 30. Like this you have to cross till 100. So continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. So you have to see that the number which is not crossed in the multiples of 2, 3, 5 and 7 means till we continue the process till all the numbers are not cancelled. So the remaining numbers. So you can see that the number which are encircled are known as prime number. So like 2, 3, 43, 53, 67, 97. So all the encircled numbers are prime number and all the crossed out numbers other than 1 are composite number. So you can see that the number which are crossed are composite number and the number which are encircled are known as prime number. So you can see that there are 25 numbers between 1 to 100 which are prime number. This method is only for till 1 to 100. Now composite number. Numbers having more than 2 factor. You can see that prime number means the number having factor 1 and itself. So composite is opposite of prime. It means the number having more than 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, 4, 6, 8. So 4, you can see that it is divisible by 1, 2, 4. It means how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3. So you can see that the number having more than 2 factors, 1 and itself. So you can see that 2 is extra. So this type of numbers are known as composite number. Now twin primes. Twin prime means the pair of prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin primes. Prime means the number which have factor only 1 and itself. So twin prime means having a difference of 2. It means if we minus 2 number from each other, we should get answer as 2. So first example 3, 5. So 5 minus 3, 2. You can see next example 11, 13. 13 minus 11. You get the answer as 2. Or you can see 19 minus 17 is equal to 2. So the twin prime means the two prime numbers which are having difference of 2. So 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 29, 13. This type of numbers are known as twin prime. Then co-prime numbers. Co-prime means the numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. It means first we'll find the factors 3 and 5. 3, 5. Which are the factors of 3? 1, 3. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. You can see that only 1 is common. 1 is the factor which are having both in 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are known as co-prime factor. Second example, like 8 and 25. 8, 25. So what are the factor of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. 25, 1 and 5, 25. So you can see that here also 1 is common in both and other factors are different. So 8 and 25 are known as co-prime number. Now I'll see perfect number. A number for which sum of its factor is equal to the twice the number is called a perfect number. Number means first we have to find the number. After that we have to add all the factors. If the answer is twice the given number, then it's known as perfect number. For example, here 6. The factors of 6, first example is 6. The factors of 6 are, which are the factor of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now add all the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So you can see that here 12 means 12 is double of 6. So you can see that 6 is a perfect number. Second one, 28. So what are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now add all the factors. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. If you add, you will get as 56. So you can see that 56 is 2 into 28, means it is a twice of 28. So 6 and 28, these are the perfect number. Now we'll start our exercise 3.1. Write all the factors of 24, 27 and 18. As we have seen that factors means the number which exactly divides a given number. First one is 24. You can see that the first factor of every number is 1. It means 1 into 24. 24, then second number 24 is an even number, so it is also divisible by 2. And how many times? 12 times. So we can write it as 2 into 12. The next, it also divisible by 3. How many times? 8 times. 3 8s are 24. So 3 into 8. After 3, it is divisible by 4. How many times? 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Then after we will see 5. But 24 doesn't come in the table of 5, or it is not divisible by 5. So next number is 6. And how many times? 6 into 4. Now you can see that here already we are repeating now 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. It means same only. So we can stop here that there is no any other factors of 24 are left. So which are the factors here? Hence the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. From here we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After that 24, 12, 8 and 6 and 4 already we have written. So how we have to start? You have to start from the top like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After 6 you can see that 4 and 6 are repeated. There's no need to write. Then 8, 12 and 14. Like this we have to write. So we have to start from the top and from after that we have to again return back to the top only. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 8, 12 and 14. These are the factors of 24. Then next 27. Same. It is divisible by 1. So 1 into 27. Then 3 into 9 and 9 into 3. You can see that here 3 and 9 are repeating. It means now no any factors are left. So factors are, which are the factors? 1, 3, 9, then 27. And last one is 18. First one will be 1 into 18, then 2 into 9, 3 6 are 18 and 6 3 are 18. Now we can stop here since it has occurred earlier. So factors are 1, 2, 3, then 9 and 18. Now question number 2, write first 5 multiples of 5. And we have seen that multiple means if we multiply any number with any other natural numbers, means starting from 1. Or we can see that we have to write the table of 5. First 5 multiple means till 5 times we have to write. So 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So hence we can say that the first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Next one 8. Which are the multiples? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. It means we have to write till 5 because they asked about 5 multiples. So the first 5 multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Similarly you can see 9, then 36. 36 ones are 36, 36 2s are 72, 36 3s are 108, 36 4s are 144 and 36 5s are 180. It means only you have to write the first 5 multiples of the first 5 tables of the given number. Now 20 and 45, these two questions are left for you as your homework. Now see which of the following numbers are prime number. We know that prime number means which are having factors only 1 and itself. So prime numbers are 31, 53 and 61. Why? Because the factors of 31 is 1 and 31, 53 is 1 and 53 and 61 1 and 61, as they do not have any factor other than 1 and itself. And 21 is not a prime number because what are the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7, 21. It means they are having more than 2 factor. It means it is a composite number. So 31, 53 and 61 all are prime number. Then question number 4. The number 13 and 31 are prime number. both this number having same digit 1 and 3, find other such pair of prime number up to 100. You can see that here 13 and 31 both are prime number, and you can see that both are having same digit 3 and 1, only the difference of ordering. Now we have to see which are the different other pairs of prime number which are having same digit only till 100. So you can see that after 13 the next prime number is 17, and its opposite is 71, and 71 is also a prime number. So second pair is 17 and 71. Then next 37 and 73, both are prime number and having same digit. And last one is 79 and 97. They are also having 9 and 7. Here also 9 and 7. So you can see that how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 pairs of number which are having same digit and both are prime numbers are till 100. For example, you can see here 21 and 12. Next, see that here 19 and 91. Here 19 is a prime number, but 91 is not a prime number because its factors are 1, 3, 7, means more than 2. So only the 4 pairs of prime numbers which are having same digit are possible. Now we'll see the last question in which we have to match the items. So 35, 15, 16, 20, 25 and we have to match the column here. So you can see that 35, here which are the different options are given: multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, factor of 30, factor of 50 and factor of 20. So out of this you can see that 35, its answer will be multiple of 7, means option B. Multiple of 7 means 7 5s are 35. 15, you can see that it is a factor of 30. Factor of 30 means the 30 is exactly divisible by 15. So answer is option D. Third one, 16. 16 will be multiple of 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means 16 is multiple of 8. Then 20. 20 is a factor of 20. Means 20 is exactly divisible by 20. And last one, 25. You can see that which are the options are left here: multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 30, factor of 20. All are over. Now which are the left options? Factor of 50 and multiple of 70. So you can see that here 70 is not possible in 25. So the option answer will be 25 is a factor of 50. It means 50 is exactly divisible by 25. So we have completed our exercise 3.1. On the next day we will start our exercise 2.